Okay, I'm James Greaves.
I'm Quiver.
And I'm Ricky Vargas.
This is our Project 1 prosthetic arm. So our project goal is to paint and draw for someone who is missing an arm. Our prosthetic arm is designed to assist those who don't have an arm and want to express their artistic abilities. We also want to use recyclable and sustainable materials. Our sketches evolved throughout the design process. First, we wanted to use PVC pipe as we thought it would be more durable, but we found that bamboo was much lighter and was also sturdy. Second, we started out with an eraser on the side, but then realized it would not be useful as it would be too hard to use. We decided to remove the eraser altogether. Third, we planned on using a block to hold the different utensils and act as a hand, but after further analysis, we learned that a styrofoam ball would be more viable as you would be able to insert your pen at any angle since the styrofoam is a sphere. Finally, we added a handle that the user could hold on to achieve better stabilization when drawing.
So next is our decision matrix. And for that, our constraints were agility, durability, low cost, user-friendly, and grip strength. The weights for each individual criteria were agility at 25%, durability at 20%, low cost at 15%, user-friendly at 25%, and then grip strength at 15% for a total of 100%. We did this for all 5 team sketches. Design 2 ultimately won as it was most efficient and had the greatest score at 7.1 in the yellow. For our final blueprint, Design 2 was the base sketch for it, and we had 2 other prototypes for our final. Prototype 1 failed because we just tried going straight glue on the handle connection, and we just stuck the styrofoam ball on there. For prototype 2, for the handle, we used tape and glue, which made it very secure. And the styrofoam ball was glued on. Everything else stayed pretty much the same. And prototype 2 would become our final blueprint. For our final blueprint, it consists of a bamboo arm and handle glued and taped, styrofoam ball glued to the hand, and then the holes in the ball to hold the utensils. And then we used recycled athletic compression sleeves, but you could also use recycled socks, whichever one you have, as you can see.
All right, so for the prototype, Coy will be demonstrating. And for demonstration number 1, the Sharpie is held at around a 90-degree angle. This is to demonstrate the use of anyone that wants to conventionally draw on a table or desk. In this example, Coy's drawing a tree. You can see he's using that arm on the side to help stabilize the Sharpie. It makes it easier to draw. And that arm is very snug in that sleeve, so it's very stable. He also has his arm bent at a 90-degree angle also, just to show how someone with that part of their arm cut off would draw. And right now we move on to a bird's eye view just so you can see his drawing. And this is demonstration number 2. In this example, he is using the arm with the Sharpie at a 180-degree angle. There were 3 angles we put into the ball. One was this angle, the other one was the previous one at 90 degrees, and there's a third one at 45 degrees. This 180-degree angle is used if you are painting on like a canvas or a whiteboard right in front of you, if you're drawing on a whiteboard. And the 45-degree angle would be used for if you're painting on a mural and you need to have reach either above yourself or below yourself. The 45-degree angle will be better for that. And in this example, he painted a tree. House. He drew a house. Right. In conclusion, our team collaboration, one of our strengths was communication. We did really good at that. One of our weaknesses was time management, especially in the beginning. We didn't really do the sketches until we had to, which wasn't a great idea. Our project outcome, when we assembled the design, it worked very well. We all had our ideas and we put it together, and it worked better than expected. Once we did assemble the design, we had more ideas of how to use sustainable goods, how to replace some of the materials we used to make it more of a recyclable, to make it more to make it made of more things that were recyclable or reusable in your house. For example, with the sock or clothes. Wait, why do we still have the links?